Imagine two friends, Mr. X and Mr. Y. They both start their corporate careers at the exact same time in the exact same company, earning an identical salary of 50,000 a month. Both work hard and after 2 years they both receive a massive promotion. Their salary jumps from 50,000 to 1 lakh. On paper, their lives are identical, but 5 years later, one of them is completely broke, drowning in stress, while the other one is the verge of financial freedom. How did two people with the exact same income end up with completely different lives? Today, let's look at the hidden trap of lifestyle inflation through the story of Mr. X and Mr. Y and see which path you are secretly walking on right now. Let's start with Mr. X. The moment that 1 lakh hit his bank account, he felt like a king. School never taught him how to handle wealth, so he did what most people do. He started spending. He decided his old car was not good enough for a manager, so he upgraded to a luxury SUV on a heavy monthly EMI. Next, he upgraded his phone to the latest iPhone, moved into a costly rented apartment in a posh locality, and started spending his weekends at expensive clubs and restaurants. To the outside world, Mr. X looks incredibly successful. He wears branded clothes, drives a nice car, and posts luxury vacation photos on Instagram. But look inside his bank account. Because his expenses rose at the exact same speed at his salary, his net savings at the end of every month are still exactly zero. He is trapped on a financial hamster wheel. Now let's look at Mr. Y. When he got the exact same salary hike, 1 lakh, he did something entirely different. He chose to delay gratification. Instead of upgrading his life, he decided to live exactly as if he was still earning 50,000 a month. He kept driving his old vehicle, stayed in his comfortable apartment, and kept his daily expenses steady. What did he do with the extra 50,000? On the very first day of every month, before he could even look at the money, it was automatically deducted from his account into equity mutual funds, public provident funds, and low cost index funds via an automated SIP. He didn't buy liabilities, he bought assets. Fast forward 5 years later, a sudden economic slowdown hits and their company announces salary cuts. Look at Mr. X. He is in absolute panic. Because of his heavy lifestyle, his monthly fixed expenses, his car EMI, high rent, and credit card bills require at least 90,000 a month just to survive. He cannot afford to lose his job for even a single month. He is a slave to his desk, completely stressed out. Now, look at Mr. Y. He is completely calm. Over the last 5 years, his disciplined investing has grown into a compounding financial fortress worth lakhs of rupees. Even if he stops working today, his investments generate enough passive income to cover his basic living expenses. Mr. Y didn't just save money, he bought his freedom. The difference between Mr. X and Mr. Y is not how much money they made, it's how they handled their lifestyle creep. School teaches us to work hard for a salary, but it leaves out the most critical rule of wealth. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and invest. When your income increases, don't rush to upgrade your lifestyle, upgrade your future. True wealth is not about showing off expensive things to people you don't even like. True wealth is having the freedom to live life on your own terms. So, are you living like Mr. X or building future like Mr. Y? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to master the money lessons they skipped in school, hit that subscribe button and let's build real financial freedom together here on Airavata.